Hello, and welcome to this new episode. Today, we're looking at this new Daikin range based on R290, a compact air-to-water monobloc solution designed to deliver high efficiency, simplified installation, and immediate availability for a wide range of applications. Let's go straight to the 5 reasons why this range represents a practical step forward in sustainable HVAC design. It uses R290, a fully natural refrigerant with ultra-low GWP. But this is not only about compliance with current regulations. It is about anticipating what comes next. R290 enables consultants and building owners to align with long-term decarbonisation targets while maintaining high performance and system efficiency. At the same time, using propane requires a different approach to system design. And this is where the second reason becomes essential. When working with A3 refrigerants, safety cannot be treated as an additional feature. It must be designed into the unit from the very beginning. This is the principle behind the Daikin Safety Shield, a multi-layer safety concept that combines electrical design and refrigerant and hydronic circuit protection into a single, coherent approach. Let's start with the electrical side. First, the independent power supply for safety components ensures that critical safety devices remain operational even during a main power interruption. Safety functions are not dependent on the primary electrical line. They remain active when they are needed most. ATEX certified fans are selected to operate safely in potentially hazardous atmospheres, preventing ignition risks and supporting controlled air circulation within the unit. The siren provides both visual and acoustic alerts, ensuring immediate awareness and rapid intervention if required. And the integrated leak detector continuously monitors refrigerant concentration levels. Now let's move to the refrigerant and hydronic circuits. Again, the leak detector plays a central role. Early detection is the first step in risk mitigation. But detection alone is not enough. Coil covers are designed to convey the refrigerant in the bottom part of the unit, where it can be easily detected. ATEX certified fans support dilution and controlled airflow management inside the unit casing. Refrigerant storage tanks allow the safe containment of the propane charge, limiting dispersion and ensuring system integrity. In the event of abnormal pressure conditions, the safety valve manifold controls refrigerant discharge in a controlled, engineered manner. And finally, the water leak box separates the propane and water circuits, preventing cross-contamination and adding an extra layer of protection to the hydronic design. Safety is not concentrated in one component, but it is distributed across the entire architecture. Let's move on to the third reason. The heat pump version can deliver hot water up to 75 degrees Celsius. This makes it particularly suitable for heating applications and boiler replacement scenarios. It allows integration into existing systems without major changes to emitters or hydraulic distribution. So it becomes a practical solution for retrofit projects where decarbonisation needs to be achieved with minimal disruption. Efficiency is not only defined at nominal conditions. This range features inverter-driven scroll compressors, developed and manufactured by Daikin, combined with EC brushless fans, ensuring precise capacity control and optimized operation at partial load. The result is improved seasonal efficiency, stable operation, and increased reliability. Finally, availability. This range is designed to be readily available from stock. This has a direct impact on project timelines. Shorter lead times mean faster decision-making, quicker installation, and reduced on-site delays. In short, this unit is more than a compact heat pump. It offers natural refrigerant technology, built-in safety, high-temperature performance, and efficient operation in a ready-to-deploy solution. Scan the QR code to download this product's presentation and unlock even more exclusive content. Thank you for your attention.